Billy Foulkes here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a new arrival we had come in. It's a Scout 251 XSS. This is one of our more popular models here for Houston. I'll go over the helm display for you real quick. Garmin display right here, nice black Edson steering wheel fusion head unit with the JL audio speaker upgrade throughout the boat. Of course, your Mercury vessel view displays, Linko trim tabs right here. New Mercury binnacle powering, that's running the new Mercury 300 V8 on the back. So we do have the upgraded leaning post right here with the built-in rod holders, cooler underneath, a few cup holders right here. These rod holders look like they go straight up, but I've been on plenty of these boats and they go out. So you have 4 rod holders here, 4 rod holders up here, 2 in the back, 2 in the front, and 2 in the midsection. The front ones are actually rod holder cup holders, so it's pretty cool. If you're taking this boat out, cruising around, just enjoying the bay, you can do that. But if you also want to fish, you can. Real quick, Sarah, let's go ahead and look back here. We have 3 seats along the back row right here. Obviously, they turn into a nice casting platform for you as well. But this is going to be a cooler right here. We did not option it as a live well, but these other 2 are. So you have your release well in the center, live well all the way over there to the starboard side. So if you're fishing tournaments, you can definitely keep your fish alive in here, get those extra points for bringing in live fish. 4 additional rod holders right here. So you have the bases right here. The rods actually go in there. They're compressed with this bungee right here, and the tips go out through the roof. Really cool design from Scout. Beautiful display or windshield right here. And something I really like about this boat, it's really sleek and sexy. So while I'm lifting this up, I do want to point out we optioned this boat as the shark gray exterior, and we did the midnight edition. We also included the porta potty right here. That is all the stuff that you're going to get with this boat. So we make you totally legal before you even take it out on the water the first time. Some of the additional features on the midnight edition are you got the black grab rails right here, kind of the darker JL audio speakers as well. But we optioned it with all the cushions up front, removable backrest right here. Inside here, more rod holders. Inside here, more rod holders. We have a insulated holding area right there. We did not include it with the macerator pump because it just drains overboard, no big deal. But again, guys, this is one of the most popular models of Scout that we get over here on the Gulf Coast. Great boat, sexy. You can take it day cruising, beach the boat, relax, things of that nature. We also optioned it, while I'm thinking about it, with a power pole mount in the back. So if you want a power pole, if you want a trolling motor, whatever you need, we can install that here for you. So definitely come by and see this boat before it's gone. My name is Billy Foulkes with MarineMax Houston. I'd love to see you up here.